To start making your simple pet bandana, cut out your pattern to the size you want to use. This pattern comes into several sizes, extra small to extra large, and fits many sizes of pets. I'm using a rotary cutter to cut out my fabric, but you can also trace the pattern onto your fabric and cut it with a pair of scissors. For this pet bandana, I suggest using a quilting cotton or other natural woven fabric. I pre-wash the fabric before cutting. The first step is to fold the triangle edges of your fabric up 1/4 inch. Then you'll fold them again to enclose the seam allowance and pin in place. Pressing with an iron may help to hold your fold in place. Once pinned or clipped, sew the fold down 1/8 in from the fold. Sink your needle at the corner and pivot to get a crisp, tight point. Press the fold before moving on to the next step. Fold over one of the short edges and iron in place. Be sure to clip your threads as you go. Next, we'll repeat on the other side, folding that 1/4 inch in. Fold it again, just like we did the other edges, and pin or clip. Sew these edges down 1/8 in from that folded edge. Next, press the straight edge down 1/4 inch. Then fold it to match the corners of your bandana. Use pins to line up the fold and keep it in place. Sew across this newly created channel, back stitching at the beginning and the end. Give the bandana a good press and it's ready to slide onto a collar. You can find this pattern at cottonstitchesco.com, and thank you for watching.